Your mom by your mouth was software friend prophet Dr. Owusu Bempah.
Let's pray for.
Meant to ask him.
Owusu Bempah.
Yeni na if you ever pon kama me abompaya ma.
Everyone about to close.
Ndenti ameka sa.
So we pray. For
Then she said their bloggers ni kodin kwasi asem me boni tofa kakla ne pe.
we just round it up a little bit.
Prophecies, so prophecies. And your prophecies, so prophecies. Therefore, you might walk about at the back KSTV. So, therefore, your best yourself, obey like it, no commenting, no share, no idea what subscribe to KSTV. Sounds a panya be quarter from my bedroom. But for your mamunia, acquire by the back 2025, and that is 2nd of January. What I say, prophecies are better that prophecies are a due for no action come. Prophecies are air course or anti-time feeding. So, therefore, and easy. Prophet Bedukobi, Wama prophecy. Prophet Owusu Bempah, I'm a prophecy. Solomon entry power added the prophecies Abatuja. Fire Oja, the youngest prophet at the prophet Abatuja. Nigel Gazy at the prophet is Abatuja. Other form, Mido Obia Diabraham one by one. Made the prophet Solomon entry dear Abraham. In commission Solomon entry Ashen Papa, I salute you. And yet easy. You could pay more papa so little more to the first, no. In some prophecies are papa the 2 and yano, the youngest prophet Akasa, the youngest and the smallest prophet Akasa. I prophet Fire Oja. Fire Oja didn't say me to ya. Wabubo bomb penifoni be ding, Wabubo black Sherif ding, Asamoah, black stars prophecies about. Therefore, me say fire Oja din sema to Janka sanga. Utsi fire Oja prophecies are fire Oja da 2 for man. Therefore, enye easy. 2025 imu ensema be course organ na enye easy. Therefore, measure so ba tubo no waji abotre, no wanya abotre. Na was take it to KSTV so. Na ye de ensema ye de be bram say aka tem say afiwe ye be ye juma pa 2025 we ye no mo benante 2025 we ye no mo benante achemo ensema eko social media na so therefore na botre na tobo na ye kwanko tie fire Oja prophecy odaba ama black Sherif o say black Sherif what to form black Sherif what to form ye ntini kabium dan Asamoah prophecy aba black stars prophecy aba o say this e be say presidents Fire Oja say this say presidents. Therefore, Nyabotre ne enko tie Fire Oja prophecies now.
Are you ready for 2025 prophecies?
Yes. Are you ready? Yes.
And hear me.
Hear me.
Me comes on by 1st to 2nd January. It has to be start to say CC.
It has to begin to happen.
First.
Begin to happen. It's a start.
Amen.
Amen.
Prophecy number 1.
You dig it?
My family from Bachro. Mama Susu Monyom Bako. Why? Cash. Mama Susu Monyom Bako. Be fast. And no sooner be pay. Once it's a scan of First prophecy,
first prophecy is dropping.
The best year presidents.
A prophet is going to be buried.
Put that in mind. Whether a certain president or
a past president.
2025.
2025. Sitting president or a past
Maybe
president.
I'm a son come on the first.
Maybe.
Maybe I'm the master, but it's on man penny
You would hear
or
that a certain president is gone.
2025.
2025.
Prophecy number 2, me makakla we ana ya to aso nam me be we anam de dia kan so ato aso. It's the first one you be say that.
On the very impressive.
2025.
2025.
A titiriu.
2025.
Great for ewu na ahiafo no moment a survive it.
Death of a great man. 2025 death of great men. And the poor people will survive. A great man will die.
Now I saw and to Nibia were born my friend Black Sherif.
A musician called Black Sherif.
To me, it's BM.
Black Sherif is not going to be a hit anymore.
Me who say
I saw
so
spiritually.
Ya jini takrama free wo.
His tongue has been taken.
And ya jini powerful takrama ababa
A different tongue has been passed in his mouth.
So bet to me jina pass de me hu ni fa
dia. Able to stand again like the way I saw.
And onya asofo be ya 5 for mabasamu ya
need men of God that are very strong.
No mo diamano.
To intercede for him.
And to be a wolf, if
you are here, put that in mind. Black Sherif.
Obayila.
Black Sherif is gonna go off the scene.
Said the idea from now.
Just like something has been buried and then it never germinates again.
It did the prophet didn't record it.
My days.
You're not there to enter.
Put the church down. Yes.
2025. Ghana for some Red Cup.
And yes, I'm going for
Black Stars.
Well, Cup, Black Stars.
Said you two warm Africa Cup and San about World Cup in him.
Africa Cup. Same thing.
Me ponko fitana metna no so ni bi.
Saw a white horse.
Na me say ponko na wo.
I saw that the horse had given them.
Enkofo bi ba ponko no.
People were coming close to the horse.
Ponko de na kick enkofo no.
He kicked the people off.
No muni na tete kohwe
omo. All of them fell.
Me share na me hu ye.
I looked at
them. Na we say a team of friend Black Stars.
It was a team called Black Stars.
Na obo ben ponko na ponko de na po wo ma kiki. He said Radi said then Radi say ya na be ya wo mo.
This is what is going to happen.
World Cup now a better pool will start insulting them. Tell me that's what be any Black Star.
There's no hope.
World Cup, I must say that money. We did the prophet, they didn't record. Prophecy number 5.
Prophecy number 5.
Prophecy number 5. Obia watika na konya so ayebe so no na me aduma 7 December woni e.
See them sworn in. Should be ready.
Onye.
Woe unto the one that is going to be sworn in.
Onye.
The president.
Mobet me afa phone record you. Said the mission come last year. Me show me phone record because ni na be see. O so ti silence why you come out. No why you go
down quiet.
E dia be chi ma on say manifest. What me bo be me.
Manifesting and you bring back my stone. Woe unto the president that is going to woe unto him.
Sir,
if you are thinking spiritually,
ɛdan bi a yɛwɔ mu a yɛato mu paa no na ɛgya a ɛgu ɛdan ne mu no sɛ yɛ maako tan a yɛnya suo na yɛde ne sii suo apɛ yɛincrease gya ne kɔɔ 20.
The fire was increased into 20. Do the easier.
2025.
2025.
To me, I was so we are my plane class. She won in our aquarium.
For plane crash to be happening, it's come to an end.
2025.
2025.
So, 5 flights, I hope I could have vampire and over Quabas.
You go and come back in peace.
Omoton ewie mu no ma honhom 2024 no and am ho ka kire ma mudi matam and so afi bia ni wo for the past 60 years a year bia ni wo playing a classes in 2024
like 2024.
Yes, of course.
No year.
But sana really say men can't we are mebu omudi on but
some people want to mention their name.
Said yan confront confan past 90
for them not to take it personal.
Me who on you to be a friend than Asamoah.
So a musician. All thine Asamoah.
Na me hu sa okotokoto nkwala nketenkete.
It's all that you want. Power into
Okoto
little children.
nkwala nketenkete.
What's power into
Na me sa
children?
wale say yitira me hu yi asete
What
ne
does it
say.
mean? I ask God.
O wa dia me kan.
See what I'm saying?
Sa me bua na me bo me tirima kan altar we ni nyame amu na muso no won strike me say see.
Just like me right now.
Me hu sa okotokoto
I saw
nkwala.
that it was mine.
Me hu sa was celebrating the birthday.
We're celebrating her
And
birthday.
people were going to celebrate with her.
Celebrating with them.
And me hu sa we pie free dining.
I saw that she came out of the room
Ekoto nkwala
and then she was bowing to children.
na ochire the property
And then
awo.
showing the property that she
Ochire
has.
nkwala ne say we ya media.
Showing them.
When she ya
This
media
buying
ana
is my
ochire.
property.
Sarah say you chire we to say.
What does
And
it mean?
the Lord explained it to me clearly. But let me put it here.
If I'm free the answer,
Let me put it here. By 2025 on share ne hu ye.
you should be careful. In 2025,
On share ne hu ye. Let me put it here. Said here.
if I miss you,
Ochina enkofa can say
I don't bring issues.
Bibia Emma. Your footballer a friend Fatao. Fatao day.
Ishaku.
Is Fatao day.
Ishaku.
Isaka. Also,
Ishaku.
man, we saw my say the carrier soon.
His career has been destroyed spiritually.
The boy no about and didn't wo fie.
It's going to end at home.
So or shamia.
So if he's watching me,
On funny serious.
Fatawa Ishaku. You take it serious.
And didn't wo fie the
It's going to end
carrier.
up at home.
Into 2025 only no
2024.
one nimpaye.
He should pray fervently.
Onimpaye. Me wo to me abana num.
And so
Better free moja.
it's going to lick the
Na ye
blood.
man nsuo se wonom.
I must give him
To
water.
me num nsuo na madafo ni na ahye. Afia man moja na wantumi ano.
Give him the blood.
Misawari say you say we say na rade say. 2024
2024.
hwie moja gu ye 2025. Enye is say demon bi betimi anom obi moja.
And the demon would be able to.
Power. Confusion is MPP mo no.
Confusion.
They bro sa be si NDC mo.
More than that is going to happen in NDC.
Yenya de ne tena konya so 7 December
When
pe.
the president is sworn in,
Ade amaka ni na be sie.
what I'm saying would happen bigger. Confusion will rock the NDC.
Can I continue?
Continue.
My name is Prophet Jedidiah Recurring.
Yes.
The global prophets.
Now what you 2025.
2025,
Ade ba ko ta so bia to the team ni.
I think you have to put it.
Nyame be yusu asofo very good pa.
God is going to use.
Very powerful pa.
That's what happened in 2025.
Let's
put it in there.
Nyame ba tu na duma gu asofo.
Oh, it's very
25.
true. It's
Ye be
praise.
o me praise asofo more.
Men of God is going to be praised
Esi omonim gu ase.
than their disgrace.
O de hwade.
Men of God are going to go higher.
And afi bia ni wo.
There's no year
Me ne suade hu.
in my
Afi
revelation.
bia ni wo.
There's no year
A adanse wom.
that
Ese
in my
me ne
revelation.
suade hu. Yes.
2025 has a lot of testimonies.
That says the Lord.
Sign around this year.
Erade say
The Lord is saying
2025.
2025.
One no mo kwaduro so ni na duro be spy. Pass.
This is the fetish rules.
Pie duro be spy. O de abode to etu o. My name is Reverend Jedidiah Henry Curry.
The nation prophets.
Na me be you so for to the fact of obi obedwane ato asofo apapam bia benya testimony.
It runs to a prophet in good heart.
Pia.
You get a testimony. Everybody.
But me prophecy bia no I deny that.
No prophecy of mine.
It me catch wa yeti.
When I tell you, listen properly.
Me free the whole world in so me free Ghana so na ma ba mo so.
I will come into you.
Na ma shira.
Then I'll bless you.
Me wi ama wi.
Done.
Ye dede na ba nsem gusu na nyajo.
Make some noise. Make some noise. Yes.
Onso from Onyame. Empire was software friend prophet Dr. Owusu Bempah.
Let's pray for
meant to us to be him.
Owusu Bempah.
Yenina, if he ever punk on me about Payama,
everyone about to close.
In the entire make us
so we pray for
us. You said your bloggers Nicodin Quasia 70 may bonny tofaka clanepe.
We just round it up a little bit. Let's pray for
we hear Empire. Oh,
he needs
2025.
In 2025, Prophet Owusu Bempah.
And yes, sir.
Other than that,
Emwa,
Sana
Mekano.
As I said,
2025.
2025.
2025.
That year,
we yam pie bopa. If he me crami we are, and you money now be timpire the amano.
Pray for him.
It was a son come at canny pen.
Wish out of I've seen that, yes, sir. The people are on there.
By a soft penny, so.
And then he's a major prophet.
With the BC.
Don't need to end it like this.
I kaka krana ye be kwa.
There's a few times for us to leave.
Yakasamba to wash.
Then I'll continue.